Welcome back to my cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. We're marinating soft chicken. If you like, you can take the back out of yours, but today this is the one I'm using. So it's Christmas time, you know, after cooking a lot of things, rice and others, so meat is not inside anymore. Just to do this fast one to make you get something to eat your rice. So I sliced medium size of onions and then add this bay leaf just to massage them in. And the ingredients we'll be using today some is thyme, garlic, ginger, curry, salt, cayenne pepper, paprika, and no powder to season. That's what I'm using. Mix all of them together. Yeah, I like paprika to be more than every other thing. And I will show you the sizes of things I use. I would actually like to add barbecue sauce to it, but I just check barbecue sauce is not. I don't have some at home, so the paprika I use 1 out of quarter full. Yeah, I use quarter full of the paprika, and every other one is just every other thing is just this tiny one of it. Oh. So I don't really necessarily have to put it in fridge to let it marinate. I dried the chicken. You can see it's very dry. There's no water inside, so I will just start baking it immediately because people need to eat lunch, and yeah, they don't have meat for the stew, and the rice do not have meat neither. So this is just the best thing I can think of right now. So that's what I'm doing. Thank you. So I'm adding oil now. It's a little oil just to marinate it, because I like my chickens shiny. I don't know what that means, but yeah, I just want the chicken like that. Yeah, you don't really have to do much. Just take it off and spread it in, so we all spread it same time. Remember flipping, you will be flipping them at one side ready, because you cannot just leave it like that. You keep flipping until they are all ready. At least 1 hour something take to marinate and then to cook. Yeah, I put it in the oven now. So these onions will be going. So I will just leave it here and come check them after 20 minutes. This is how the chicken look like 1 hour after. We still keep turning it because I want it to be very dry. That dry like sugar. Okay, see, our chickens are ready and dried. Okay. Okay, see. Wow. This is one thing I like about the chicken. You can easily remove them. So see how I will eat mine? Just put sugar spicy. This is really good. Thank you for watching. This will be the last part of it. Please help us to subscribe, share, and we're sorry for not posting. There's a lot on me, schooling and working at the same time. So yeah, thank you for your patience. See you next week. Bye.
Like a ball of super, and the journey goes swallow to go inside. Get a fish and okra, oh yeah, see black out. Garnish everything with it,